Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, a great weekend, and a great 2015, folks. Gotta love it. Don't make assumptions. Let your life be transformed. When you stop making assumptions, your world becomes impeccable, and your life is completely transformed. Magic just happens, and your life, for what you need, comes to you easily because Spirit moves freely through you. Market eyes! Let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 13, NASDAQ off 6, S&P's flat, gold contract up $17.60, trading at $1158.50. Silver up 17 cents, $16.21. Both silver, well, gold got a big bid. Silver has a slight bid. Silver needs more volume and price spread. I expect you're going to get that the next couple days. Platinum's flat at $9.89 an ounce. Copper's $2.49 a pound. Light sweet crude down 28 cents at $53.77 a barrel. You had the numbers come out today. Bottom line, flat market inside the oil market. Notes. 10-year note up 9 ticks, 123.29. 30-year bond up 8 ticks, 149.31. Both notes and bonds, folks, are catching a bid. It looks like they're going topside once again. Bottom line, we'll see whether we get some real signs of strength. So what we did have out here the last couple days, you had a small sign of strength, nothing heavy. Next week will basically tell us flat out, are these bonds going to go topside once again, or is this correction still in play? What we do have is that the 30-year bond, folks, did not break a major swing point. The last major swing point that was broken in the 30-year bond since we're going back to 1980 was 1999. So that's pretty intense. King dollar down to 519 ticks, trading at 102.725. What you had with King dollar out here, King dollar had tested the highs yesterday, failed on price and volume, came down today with expanded volume. King dollar wants lower price. Euro's at $1.04, and the yen is trading at 116.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We are at $224.33. You did 46 million shares out here today. What I expect you're going to see is that we're going to sideways move out here tomorrow. The market right now has to build a little cause, folks, to get to higher price, to lower price, rather. What we had done is that on Tuesday, we went up with dramatically light volume. You know, the SPY did 42 million. You came down yesterday with 64. You're going sideways today with 46. What's holding the SPY up right now is the strength that it had on the 7th of December. That's where we went from 221 to 224. You did 110 million shares there. So bottom line, I actually expect that when we come back to work next Tuesday also, Monday the market's closed, Tuesday more than likely will be a day that we're going sideways also. Next Wednesday on, game is on, I suspect in a big way. Everything will be back, game will be on. You're talking about, let's see, that'd be the 4th. It's a couple weeks away from the inauguration. Bottom line, fireworks are going to be happening. That's in the SPY. We go to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow. Dow is sideways moving here today, down $13. Now, the Dow can pull back like to 19,558. That's the same day. See, the S&P December 7th day we're at right now, where the Dow Industrials, that high of that day is 19,558. So bottom line, that can get there pretty quickly. The composite, the NASDAQ composite, what we have with the composite is at 5432. And, bottom line is that I suspect this is going to go sideways. Why? Because the 5,400 level, it's not 54 exact, that's 5397 exact, is also going to be hard to break down. First time down. Why? That is also December 7th, where it had good volume on the way up. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract caught a bid out here. You're down 151,000 contracts. You're at up 1850. We're at 1159. If we take a look at this contract, and I do expect that we're going to get follow through out here tomorrow too. This is wide price spread accelerated volume. This, which is so cool here. So check this out. We're at 1159. I can make the case that gold's going to 1236, folks. So that's a good move, and that's where the next, basically, well, that's where we came down. We came down hard. The night of the election, gold had gone from 1272 to 1341, gave it up, and it was at 1221 2 days later. 1221 is game right now. This thing, broke a downtrend and broke it with conviction. The gold miners and the silver miners, they get firepower under them in a big way. You have the XAU is up $4.74 at 82.04. This baby, it looks like it's on the way to 92.36. You're inside the range, all of the above. And the gold bugs index, which had been the weakest indice when we look at both the XAU and the HUI, that was huge today. That was up $11.39, 188.66. It launched the downdraft of December 14th. So that baby is set up to make a run up to the 221 area. So they're pretty intense inside those mining structures out here today. Bonds. We'll go to the note market first. What you have with the note market, notes are basically crawling. They need price spread. 10 years at 123.29. What I expect you're going to see is that this is going to make a run for 124.13, and we'll see whether that does it with conviction. Because if you get conviction on the run, that's going to do a whole different ball game, meaning that you will get more buying inside the note market, inside the bond market. King dollar. What is it all about with King dollar? Well, check it out. And this is very tough for King dollar to do this on a holiday week, folks. So what we had is this. Holiday weeks, holiday trade, and of course you get light volume. That being said, guess what? The gold and silver equities didn't have light volume yet because there's buyers. Inside the dollar index, the dollar made a high on December 15th. That was $103.535. You did 83,000 contracts. We tested that on the 20th. Now, that was a failure in price and volume. Then you pull back down, and guess what? It pulled back down with no volume. That's why it needed another test. It made that test yesterday, failed yesterday on price and volume, did 19,000 contracts. We come off that today. We did 31 the way down. This is going to make its way into the $102 level. We're at 1,217. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.